left hand posture. We put up our violin and we place the left hand on the fingerboard. Everything should be as relaxed as possible. So from your shoulder all the way to your chin, make sure that's relaxed. Neck, shoulder down to the arm, up to the wrist. And we should have a relaxed, straight wrist. Now we don't want this and we don't want this. So it should really be just as if you were holding your left hand up like this, very relaxed, and just place it on the fingerboard. Now we also want to make sure that the left hand thumb here on the fingerboard has a gentle bend here. We do not want banana thumb. We do not want this sort of a bend. It is relaxed. So if you were to put your thumb up straight, very relaxed, it would look like this with a gentle bend. And so we need thumb and first finger relaxed, along with wrist relaxed, for the best relaxed left hand.